Welcome back to Smoky Ribs. I'm Russ Jones, and beside me I have Mr. Keith Jenkins from Frog Ball and Cajun Sauces. Now, what today's video is, it's going to be a short video, but it's going to show you what you can do with leftovers from a crawfish boil. And what is this? This is like an egg roll?
It's going to be an egg roll. We've never done it. We call it Cajun crawfish bowl egg roll. That's what we're going to do.
It's his idea, and we're going to do it. We're going to see how it turns out right after this. Now, since this is Keith's recipe and his idea, I'm going to let him roll with it. I'm going to stand out of the way. I'm going to drink a cold beer and let you roll with it.
Okay. All righty here. This came up to my idea here of actually Russ, one of our first videos done with our Bayou remoulade sauce. He did a jambalaya egg roll dipping with our remoulade. Loved it. We tried it out. Then in Louisiana, we all got the boudin egg rolls, the pepper jack boudin egg rolls, and I love those. So I kind of come with the idea of, we always got the crawfish, we got the potatoes, we got the garlic, carrots, corn, mushroom, and celery is what we have here. And I figured just put them all together, make an egg roll, dip into a remoulade. We have never done it, so it's gonna be our first try doing it. So basically, like I said, you got your leftover crawfish, that's your tails, potato, kind of cube them up. Here's your garlic, little piece there, and that's a carrot. Take the corn, just shuckle it off the cob there, and our mushrooms and celery. So I don't know how much I can get on one, but we're gonna go ahead and get this going here. We're gonna do 4 of them. Here we go. Taking the angle like that, we're gonna put our crawfish tails. We'll fill it up. I'm gonna take a little bit more off there because I think I got more stuff there just to get enough little meat there and other stuff. So we'll just have to play around with it. And let's go. I'm gonna put some celery, put a little sling of celery in there. A couple little cubes of the potato. I'm gonna put 3, go down. 2 little pieces of the carrot, a little piece of the corn. Okay. Then some mushroom. Okay. I think that's gonna be all. I'll play by this one here. So we're gonna roll over here and flap over. And then we're gonna roll. Then to finish the touch, we're going to take us some egg wash and just want to dab it there a little so it can stick. And there we go. So we're going to do about 3 more. I think I can stuff a little bit more in that.
Hey Keith, let me roll this last one, man. I used to do this every day when I used to sell them jambalaya rolls at work.
Yes.
And it's been a long time.
Go ahead.
I just want to see if I remember how to do it.
That Cajun seafood bowl roll.
Best I remember, you kind of tuck and roll. Then you fold that, just like you were doing. Roll it up.
I'm excited about trying these out.
Took a little egg wash. All that is glue to hold it together. Hey, that ain't bad.
You still got it in you, Russ?
It's been a while.
There you go. You go sell those at work too now.
Yep. All right, we're going to heat up the deep fryer. Actually, it's already going now. Once I get up to temp, we'll meet you over here, and we're going to cook these bad boys up. We're going to give them a try. All right, now these don't take but just a minute. All you want to do is just brown the egg roll.
Yeah, because the food's cooked already.
Fully cooked. But it's surprising, and what made you the texture, something about the crunch of the egg roll and the tenderness of that egg roll wrap mixed with, you can do it with a lot of things like the jambalaya rolls. So this is going to be a treat, trying to figure out just how this tastes and how it does taste.
And a lot of people, you do pulled pork, you know, use the Frog Ball Bayou barbecue sauce.
Oh, absolutely.
And like I said, we've been talking about this for years, doing it. And we've got so much left over. We've been making etouffee, crawfish stew, with all the stuff that goes on at that. You got crawfish corn bisque.
Yeah.
But so now we're doing a Cajun seafood ball. I'd like to do a little quick shout out to coming up as Beach Billy Lifestyle TV show, YouTube. We're going to be trying to be doing some recipe cookings on their show, and a lot of stuff with Russ. Smoky Risk will be doing a lot of stuff, especially, like I said, with Frog Bone. We've been going on for how many years now?
Oh, Lord.
3, 4, 5 years.
About 5 years.
Yep. And the first sauce he did interviewed with his review was Bayou Remoulade, and actually you did it. Now we're going to do the Bayou Remoulade, have it for a dipping sauce for this. Just perfect seafood sauce. I'm excited about this. Cajun style.
All right, we are getting real close here. They're beginning to float. They get nice brown. I would say they're actually done.
Oh yeah, be nice to on them.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna take what I've got here is a pan with some paper towels, and we're just gonna drain these off.
Oh yeah. Let's take one of these and see what one looks like. Boy, look at that.
Ooh, man.
Ooh, that texture.
That looks really good.
That looks good.
I already know the flavor that's in there, so yeah, we're gonna enjoy this.
So, all right. So we're gonna take this, and we're gonna use this Frog Bone Bayou Remoulade sauce. It's a good Louisiana sauce with our twist to it. So if no one knows what a remoulade is, it's almost like the go to Outback Steakhouse, the bloomin' onion dipping sauce there. It's a mayo base with some horseradish and other spices and seasonings that's in it. So you can go there and order some of that at www.frog-bone.com. All right, so we got it cut up here. Let me go ahead and try one of these. I'm gonna try one without the remoulade. So I want to see the flavor of it.
Sounds like it got a nice crunch to it.
Wow. I tell you what, I gotta say this is better than the boudin egg roll. The flavor, I see the celery, the garlic.
Should I take a bite?
Go ahead, yeah, yes indeed. Come in there, Russ.
All right, let's try it without, like you said, the
Without. Good. Wow. That is different and good. Wow.
Are you kidding me?
Man,
I
I think we come up with something new yet.
I think so.
So,
It screams everything that you would normally have in a
Crawfish ball and egg roll.
crawfish ball, but in an egg roll. Fantastic. I can't help it. I'm going to have to dip
Go
it in
ahead.
some of this. I know all about that stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Absolutely love it.
what's up, Bayou Remoulade sauce?
Mm.
I can't believe we waited 40 years to do this, though.
No
We've been
doubt.
talking about it for 4 years.
All I can say is winter crawfish ball dinner.
Yeah, that's right.
Really good stuff.
So, yes, indeed. So, go ahead, subscribe to our YouTube channels, and this recipe is there. Real quick and easy, because you got the crawfish ball. It's all done. It's going to take time to peel the tails. I mean, I know it's kind of hard to eat two and put one to the side for it, but it took like probably 6 crawfish tails per egg roll.
Yeah, and that's the whole thing about these big balls like this. You're always going to have leftovers, not just crawfish, but everything, all the fixings that you have with it. I just bagged up a bunch of crawfish from the cook earlier today.
Yes.
And we did this right behind it, but you could do it the following day. Put everything in the refrigerator, next day pull it out, reheat it. But I really like the way this turned out because we took that ball mix before we drained it and actually re-soaked it again.
Yes.
Kind of bring it back up just a little bit of temperature there right before we rolled them egg roll wraps into the grease. Fantastic. Appreciate you sharing that recipe with me, man. I'll do these again, absolutely.
Like I said, and it's boiled. The crawfish and everything is boiled in Frog Bone Cajun seafood ball mix.
Yep.
So if you don't boil crawfish, anything like that, you can actually do shrimp, crab meat, think pulled pork. But if you want for a smaller thing, we do sell the 1 pound bags. So you can do stuff like this. You know, you can do it over stove. You don't have to have the boiling pot. But man, this is awesome. I'm glad we finally did it here.
Good idea, man. Great idea.
Ready for Super Bowl Sunday, the holidays.
Yeah.
You just think.
And the cool thing about it is you don't have to buy any additional ingredients than what you did the bowl with,
Everything's
other than the egg roll wraps, a little bit of cooking oil.
That's it. And a little egg wash.
All right.
All right.
I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And until next time, smoke your ribs.
Frog Bone Cajun sauces. Aye.